Python Pandas, flag duplicate rows. I am using the following code to denote duplicate rows. However, when I look at the df, I see the following. I need row 2 to also be true, so that I can filter the row duplicate easily. How can I accomplish that?
As per the docs, use the keep argument and set as false. As you can see, it defaults to first.
I imagine myself lost in the wilderness and all I have to survive is pd.factorize and np.bin count. Please, don't accept this answer.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.